for gas detection like oil and gas pipeline inspection, refinery inspection, industrial park, landfill. BLV Tech is committed to meet complex operation needs of customers and providing unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. Now, BLV Tech has launched the flagship drone payload, BL-CH4, a lightweight drone-based laser methane detection sensor. BL-CH4 adopts an integrated design, which integrates 5 modules: laser receiver, laser indicator light, laser emission, RGB camera, and laser ranging. Its advanced sensor arrays, combined with the sophisticated algorithms, quickly identify methane sources, helping to quickly spot leaks and take emergency response measures. In gas inspection, BL-CH4 uses the most advanced TDLAS technology. It can quickly identify methane from 300 meters away, response speed of only 5 milliseconds, and detect methane emissions with accuracy of 5 ppm. In addition, BL-CH4 supports laser ranging up to 1,000 meters and can record accurate target position information. In case of methane leakage, the BL-CH4 is equipped with a 3-megapixel RGB camera to pinpoint the leak quickly and precisely. For large area detection, BL-CH4 adopts unique automatic rotation detection. The rotation angle of different angles can be selected to cover the monitoring different sizes of area. It can realize automatic, all-round, and efficient inspection. BL-CH4 is a perfect solution you deserve to have.